Every day, right here in my backyard, I take the time to sharpen my drone flying skills. What you are seeing isn't just me having fun, it is part of my regular routine to stay sharp and ready for any professional shot that comes my way. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and mastering it is an essential part of my production's workflow. As you can see, guys, flying a drone may look simple, but delivering cinematic, smooth, and stable shots, especially in tight or unpredictable conditions, takes discipline and practice. That is why I do this often, whether it is flying around tight urban corners or hovering over a crowded festival. My goal is to fly with confidence, accuracy, and intention. Here is a look at some of my earlier footage, from scenic shots around the neighborhood to dynamic festival captures. Even at night, the Mini 4 Pro performs beautifully. That overhead stage view with people dancing, that was all captured with this same drone, showing just how powerful and reliable this little machine really is. But it is not just about video. The photo capabilities of the Mini 4 Pro are equally impressive. Take a look at some of these stills. Crisp, vibrant, and detailed. Whether it is a portrait shot or a wide group picture, these are the kinds of images that I can capture for your next event or creative project. And if you are creating content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram, the Mini 4 Pro has vertical shooting mode, clean, high-quality portrait videos straight out of the drone. Ready for reels, shorts, or stories. No extra cropping needed. Using a drone is more than just getting pretty shots. It is about telling stories from angles that we can't reach on foot. That is why I train daily. When you hire me or my production company, you are not just getting someone who owns a drone. You are getting someone who knows how to fly it with purpose, safety, and creativity. So the next time you are planning a party, a community event, or even a small creative project that could benefit from aerial footage, think of me. I have put in the work, I know the craft, and I am ready to fly for you. Potence Production, we bring the world to your lens. Thank you.